everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to solve something went wrong authentication error in ChatGPT app. Something went wrong usually means your device cannot verify you. Fix it in seconds. First of all, turn airplane mode on and then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds before turning it off to refresh your network. After that, clear ChatGPT cache, Android, or if you're on iPhone, head over to your settings, search for general, and then go to iPhone storage, scroll down, look for ChatGPT, and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, log out and log in using a different method. Open ChatGPT app and then on your top right, top left, click on this two-line option. Then go to your name, scroll down and then click log out. After logging out, if you had used Gmail to log in, then use Apple or vice versa. Next, head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. It will clear out all the bugs and it will fix it. So make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, bonus tip, if you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. It will run smoother, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.